words to Adam the Woo. We're about to do something really ignorant.
So, yeah, Mom was not approved of this activity today. We have our homemade big rope attached to carabiner, attached to cargo straps, attached to a Ford Ranger. Seems fairly strong.
Actually, this is perfect. This is like perfect because it's like, I like when you're steering.
Yeah.
And I kind of, you see me kind of go out on the side like a freaking water skier.
It is so fun to be the driver. I'm just saying, it's hilarious. So much fun.